I know I did. Settle down, I said. Today, we're going to talk about many things and many places and what not have you. Can anyone tell me what day it is today?
Friday.
Anyone?
Friday.
No. Today is Question Day. Danny! Hello, Danny. Danny, what is your favorite color?
Butter rolls.
Okay. Todd.
Yes, Professor?
Todd. Who is your daddy?
Yes, I like cheese.
That's right. Finally, last one, Stephen. Stephen, tell me, how many fingers do I have held up? How many fingers do I have held up? How many?
Round 4.
Right. Very good. And that concludes our lesson for the day. Put your books away. Put them away. I know I'm gone. Have a lovely day, weekend, or whatever it be. I see you. Goodbye.